Hello guys. In this video I am trying to tell you about Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro price in Pakistan and specs. Xiaomi has launched the Poco X3 Pro smartphone. It features a 6.67-inch Full HD, 1080 by 2400 IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. The phone is powered by a 5160 mAh battery. Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro with several outstanding features is now available in Pakistan. It is a smartphone in the middle of the price range. A significant benefit of the Poco X3 Pro is its 6.67-inch Full HD, 1080 by 2400 IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. One of the newest chipsets for smartphones, the Snapdragon 860, is what makes the phone function. The 2.96 GHz clock speed of the new Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro octa-core processor. The back of the Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro is equipped with a quad camera configuration. A 48-megapixel, 8-megapixel, 2-megapixel, and 2-megapixel primary sensor is present on the smartphone. The phone is powered by a 5160 mAh battery. Like and subscribe my channel for new and latest videos. Thanks for watching.